Hi, my name's Nestle.
Welcome to Nestle Crunch Donut Maker.
Today we're
I'm
going
a
to
turkey. I'm a poopy turkey.
We have 2 little dogs. The turkey trying to eat us.
I'm a turkey. I'm a turkey. I'm an angry turkey. I'm an angry turkey.
Then right now for the Nestle Crunch, you take your favorite cake mix and mix it up just as the directions would do.
Throw it in there.
No, not the egg in there. Thank you. You mix it up.
Air teaches Masha. The air teaches Masha.
So get the mix done really, really good. And again, we're not going to bake it in the oven. What are we going to use?
The new oven.
The Nestle Crunch?
Nestle Crunch.
I'm going to fill the mold.
Okay, so it comes with a little spoon.
And I'm going to melt the chocolate.
Okay, so it comes with this little kind of plastic double boiler. So you'll need your own cake mix. You'll need your own pieces to melt. But inside here is warm to almost hot water. You put the top on. Oh, you're eating it.
No.
You fill it up.
Hold up. Then melt it. This one's doing good.
And you stir that to melt as the topping.
The air teaches Masha. The air teaches Masha.
This is cool.
Yes, it's melting.
Then it feels sticky. See? Mom, ready to go in the microwave.
Okay, hopefully we'll have some topping
away.
left. Yes, but you gotta save some.
Each one I'll show them. We poke it on this stuff. See that?
But you're eating all the topping. All right, we're gonna put it in the microwave for 30 minutes. You check it and then, I mean not 30 minutes, 30 seconds. And then every 15 seconds, if needed more after the first 30. Be right back.
The donuts went beep beep.
Okay, it's time to check the microwave.
Let me do it.
Well, hold on, the mold might be hot, so get an adult.
See how they turned out.
Let's see. Careful, the mold could be hot.
Wow, yummy.
Okay, so this is just regular cake mix. I'm gonna help the kids get them out. So hold for a second.
Oh,
Hold on.
that's so. Oh, it's so adorable. It looks like Mickey Mouse when he's turning his head.
So
it
there's-
looks like when he was a baby.
So there's the donuts out.
Here's some
Then you've got the melted chocolate.
chocolate. Then you get this and put some on the sides.
We also did sprinkles, powdered sugar, the little double boiler
taste
that it
mine.
came with.
Good.
You like this?
Yeah. Subscribe to our video. Sprinkle, 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 sprinkle.